Namaskar, welcome to vthwealth.com. In this video, let us discuss the best mutual funds for 2021. These are the mutual fund schemes. Probably you can invest and get a good return in 2021. These mutual funds are selected based on the past performance of the funds, expense ratio of the funds, reputation of the fund house, experience of the fund managers, and other factors that are related to mutual funds. So let us discuss one by one based on the category. Firstly, under large cap category. Under large cap category, one of the best fund is Axis Blue Chip Fund. This fund has a very less expense ratio compared to category average. That is, expense ratio is at least 0.5 to 0.6% less than its category average. Also, it has given a consistent and good return in last 1 year, 2 years and 5 years, which is much better than the category average under this category. So this is the fund you can consider investing under large cap category. Under mid cap category, one of the best fund is Axis Mid Cap Fund. This fund again has a very less expense ratio of 0.57% compared to its category average of 1.03%, and also it has given a consistent and good return in last 1 year, 2 years and 5 years. So this is the fund under mid cap category can consider investing in. So you can consider investing in large cap category if you want a less risk and less return. Mid cap category is a kind of a medium risk and medium return. Multi cap category is again a kind of a medium risk and medium return kind of a fund. Under this category, the best fund is UTI Equity Fund. This fund has given a consistent and good return compared to its category average, but only one drawback of this fund is its expense ratio is bit higher compared to other mutual funds average under this category. So still it is considered a good fund despite of its little higher expense ratio, because its return is much better compared to the category average. It has given a good return in last 1 year, 2 years and 5 years. Under small cap category, the best fund is Axis Small Cap Fund. Again, this fund has a very less expense ratio compared to its category average. Also, it has given a consistent and good return in last 1 year, 2 years and 5 years. So you can consider investing in this small cap fund. Small cap funds are the funds that are invested in smaller companies. These are like, they can be high risk and high reward kind of investment. Under ELSS category, Canara Robeco Equity Tax Saver is one of the good fund. It has given a consistent and good return in last 1 year, 2 years and 5 years, and its return is better compared to its category. The only drawback of this fund is its category, its expense ratio is much higher compared to its category average. Still it is one of the good fund because its returns is much better. So this fund is, if you are opting for a tax saving under the ATC, then probably you can consider investing in this scheme. These are the mutual funds probably you can consider investing in 2021, and how much you need to invest in each of these funds probably you need to decide based on your risk profile. And also these funds, once invested, you might need to monitor and switch in the after 1 year, or maybe you can continue if the performance is good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit a bell icon for a notification on new videos. Thank you.